So welcome to, I believe, my third video report. We're going to start off with the issues from the past. My biggest issues that I had were sprite fonts and the screen log, mostly because I found out the issue was that I was using basically Photoshop for my font texture and it was not working. I believe there were some other issues. I can't prove that to you. I mean, I can on my other engine, but with the DX conversion, I cannot prove that to you because I wasn't able to get the fonts to work on the conversion. I needed to grab a section out of a texture, and I basically just didn't have time to do that. Other than that, I'm looking at here. I didn't have an issue with the life cycle. I can show that with, the bullets. Like I said, the screen log was the biggest issue I had. Everything else, I had a default camera. If it was not my camera, then it's not my responsibility to delete it and all that. So I can go ahead and show you. Takes a while to run. Going to compile. So you can see that the fonts isn't working, but the sprites is working because it uses the entire texture. It's just printing the entire texture of the fonts. So if I shoot my bullet, you'll see in the output that I'm creating a new bullet and then I recycle it. So that is calling the, that is using the entry and exit. So yeah, and then, oh, I should basically go more in depth, make this a demo video too. My game is pretty much the same. I took the L on the game and I would have not done it if it wasn't 7 in the morning. But unfortunately, yeah, I took the L on my game. It's pretty much the same, except I did implement obviously other systems that we use. I just don't really, it's not as good as I could have made it. So you see that I have my terrain in here. You can step outside of bounds. That was a last minute thing I couldn't fix. And so gameplay wise, you shoot the bubbles and it tells you how many bullets you have left. You fight the Hydra, and then when you're dead, you go to Fishy Heaven, where you eat as much as you can so that you can respawn into the game. This, I believe, does crash sometimes, and it's not an engine error. It is on the user side. After some debugging, I couldn't have time to fix it, so that's basically it. You'll see me a long screen log. All of those are zeros and we're passing, so we're doing good there. Okay, so I'll move on to the next videos.